Morning, John Neal here, and it's Friday the 15th of April 2022 and it's a lovely day. It's spring. Let's go for a bike ride. But before I go, somebody's going to say, John, that's a new gate. And you're quite right, look at it. It's a thing to be proud of. Canadian larch. Very pleased with that. Well, there's the old one, look at this. I mean, what's that all about? So, I've made a new gate. Yes, I made that. And we've refurbished the back yard. I will call it a yard because it's this hard surface area in the back garden, and that's all been redone. So yeah, I've been busy doing that really. Not me personally. I've had my good mate Ollie from Tamworth, great builder. If anybody wants somebody to do this work, excellent. Thanks, Ollie. Right, let's go for a bike ride. It's a great day, look at it, it's fantastic. Let's go. Well, I pulled over just the other side of the A5, so I'm actually in Leicestershire now. Previously I was in Warwickshire, and you just whiz past this willow tree if you knew no better, because look, it's all full of these beautiful flower heads. This is the route of the old railway line that goes all the way to Chalkboard. I did 3 videos on this. Well, I have to say it's an absolutely super day. Terrific to be out, and I don't know what to show you. There's all the wildflowers, the cultivated flowers, you know, the daffodils and so on, but even the wildflowers are lovely. Lots of dandelions out at the moment, yellow dandelions. You can sometimes get whole fields of them. Wonderful. Springtime. My favourite? Maybe so. Hello. Right, I'll wrap up there because I'm just going back home. I've only gone about 5 or 6 miles, but just absolutely lovely sunshine, spring flowers, wildflowers and other flowers as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. No, you'll see me. Fell off my bike. The camera did. I caught it there. In my youth I was in the school cricket team, and you can see why. Well, it starts with a new gate. It's got to finish with a new gate, surely.